Hey everybody, I'm Phuong. I'm with Speed Element, and we're here at WEKFEST 2025 in San Jose. This is my Honda S660 from Japan. I went with the R1 Concept 4 Series.
I have R1 Concepts, pads and rotors.
But also figuring out wheel offset that would work with the BBK too. So I went with the R1 Concept 4 Series. We're with Peace and we're trying to find what would work for the car. And we were originally going to bring the car down to R1 and have them scan and build the brackets, because I know they make a lot of custom brackets for custom cars.
Yeah.
But luckily they already had a bracket, so we were actually able to get that. And I think the toughest part was just figuring out the e-brake situation, because we had to get a custom adapter for the e-brake, and that was a custom adapter for the e-brake.
Oh, yeah.
So we were able to fit a 4-piston and a 6-piston in the rear, which is way more braking power than the car ever needs, because you barely tap on the brake and you're like stopped already.
I mean, to SoCal, honestly, I mean, this one has clean cars. I haven't seen any of these cars before. I've seen some of these Hondas because they come down to SoCal, but it's different. Honestly, a lot of the cars are nicely painted compared to, I mean, SoCal's all wrap cars. I mean, almost everything here I've seen was painted. Just dope.
This is 19 by 10.5 plus 15.
Is that squared setup?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Square is supposed to be, but I have spacers, so it's staggered now.
Okay.
And then I have R1 Concepts, pads and rotors.
Okay. Was this car always bagged, or?
This is the first one, first time.
Oh, did you have it bagged before, or was it static?
Static.
Oh, wow, okay.
Yeah.
So you did the whole wide body, then you wrapped it, and then you bagged it at the same time?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, okay. Nice. I'm on that 2-kid budget.
Are you straight trading for your truck for this, or?
Dude, me? Oh, I would. Then I'd still have to get like a house loan to pay for the rest of it.